Hello everyone, I am Mo and you are welcome or welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. As promised, I am back with another bunch of lightweight summer appropriate toners and this time I got some exciting ones. So why wasting our time? Let's get into the video. This is part 1, link will be down in the description box. Video अच्छा लगेगा, helpful लगेगा तो like करने के साथ साथ kindly hype this video and subscribe my channel please if you want to hear only honest reviews. Starting with one of my favorite, milky but summer appropriate, Beauty of Joseon's rice toner. If you want me to suggest a single milky toner for oily skin, acne prone skin, dull skin, sensitive skin, and you need something watery, ultra lightweight, it has to be this one. It's a bi-faced rice-based milky toner, but it looks like rice water. चावल धोने के बाद जैसे पानी निकलता है ना एकदम वैसे इट कंटेन्स केओलिन क्ले बट डोंट वरी इट डजंट ड्राई आउट योर स्किन पीपल विथ एक्सट्रीमली ऑयली टू एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई स्किन everyone is going to enjoy it according to your skin type you can put one layer to up to 8 layers. It's a watery, hydrating, lightweight, breathable toner that adds sheen to my skin and not glow. And on my skin, from my personal experience, it soothes my irritated, painful acne overnight. But if you are looking for something even more lightweight and you are looking for quantity, मतलब एक bottle लोगे और पूरे summer के लिए आप चिंता मुक्त, then close your eyes and get this Hatumugi toner by Naturi. It just looks like a milky toner, but it doesn't feel like milky toner even after putting 3 or 4 layers. And I personally feel Quexi, the hero ingredient, has a capability to keep your skin's health on track in long run. Do not expect anything miraculous, not even in 1 or 2 months. Use them every day and it works like a humble food. Dal chawal. No oil, no spices, nothing fancy, but basic essential. CeraSense Milky Toner by Plum. I love the ingredient list of their rice line because they didn't just add rice or basic niacinamide, they added proteins in forms of different essential and non-essential fatty acid. They added ceramides and they added some better humectant. But product wise, their serum didn't work well with my skin always, mainly summertime. But the toner, I'm enjoying this one. It took little bit of time in the beginning to get used to, but now it's working very fine. And I mainly use it when I look for 2 steps routine. Toner and a moisturizer or toner or sunscreen. Maybe I use a hyaluronic acid serum in between, but that's all. And it is working really well because it is lightweight, it is hydrating, but it also adds a little bit of moisture. And I feel it is little more lightweight than Conscious Chemist Milky Toner. Now I will show you a toner that surprised me. Rice toner by Lactocalamine. I paid only that much for this 120 ml of toner, and while applying it, it feels like I'm applying BOJ rice toner. Same consistency, same texture, same amount of hydration, same amount of refreshingness, and same amount of moisture, but not same amount of sheen. It doesn't add any sheen, it gives a hydrated look. And unlike BOJ, it doesn't offer any soothing or calming of your skin because it's an active based toner containing niacinamide, glycolic acid, and vitamin C. So, ideal for reducing your overall pigmentation, acne scars, brightening, and also giving you an antioxidant support. And in terms of reducing acne scars and pigmentation, आई थिंक इट डज द ड्यूटी मतलब उतने पैसे में मुझे इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है वो सोच के ही मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना वेरी नाइस स्टर्डी बॉटल वेरी गुड फॉर ट्रैवलिंग the application is very sanitized because the spray is also pretty fine and the product inside is perfect for Indian weather and perfect for almost any skin type. Why almost? Let me tell you a few things. Do not apply it close to your eyes, although it is very good for traveling, but do not use it frequently because the ingredients is pretty strong. Niacinamide, glycolic acid are quite high in the ingredient list. So I think it's an active based toner that should be used as an active based toner and not as a frequent mist. But if you are looking for a proper mist toner for touch-ups, slight dose of hydration, then this Access Y Glow Toner will be your option because this one is what I feel a mist toner should be. watery, lightweight, refreshing, hydrating, not moisturizing but not drying out your skin, not active focused. Rather, it has all those ingredients that will regulate your sebum production, adds hydration, and also keeps your overall pigmentation on check slowly. We finish mist toners very quickly. उस हिसाब से it's not that cheap. But when I think of any other Korean mist toners that will be suitable for Indian summer, I think this is probably the best one. Niacinamide and salicylic acid toner by Formula RX works like a weaker sister of Cosrx BHA Power Liquid. And I'm telling you, after using them both, and I personally feel in Indian weather, I would go for the Formula RX and not for the Cosrx. Because listen, if you fall into that skin type, excessive oil and congestion prone skin, so you get blackheads, closed comedones, and acne. You don't need something extremely heavy, powerful, potent. You need something that you can use frequently, like 3 times in a day or maybe 4 times in a day. Because you need something that will not just work on your acne, that will give you a frequent cleanse of your pores so they will not be congested. You need something that will regulate your sebum production continuously, frequently, so you will not produce excess oil. Try it and you will be very happy. Only problem, I don't like the packaging. I mean, you cannot travel with it. Aloe BHA toner by Benton is the only viscous toner in today's list. I didn't keep any viscous toner because मुझे रखना नहीं था, but I'm keeping this because your acne prone skin, which is oily and dehydrated, will thank you. Just make sure you are not allergic to aloe, because the foundation of this toner based on aloe and BHA. I like their previous formulation a little more, which used to contain snail mucin, and I liked it because of that extra slip, and I really like the previous bottle. The new bottle looks very boring, but the performance remains same. It's a very underrated product, and that's why it is probably available at a very good discount. But as a BHA based product, it is very close to my heart, because whenever I travel from one place to another and the weather gets changed and my skin cannot cope up and it shows its anger through acne, this toner can heal those acne within 1 or 2 nights. I mean, the result is very much visible. Also, I recommended this one to almost all of my friends staying in Kolkata, including my own cousin. They all used it, loved it, repurchased it. So it's a successful recommendation. I received only one negative feedback, and that's because the person didn't know that she is allergic to aloe. A 200 ml bottle of toner that will take care of your hydration, rather long lasting hydration, and also acne. Try it and you will thank me later. I have an empty bottle that you are going to see in my empties video. Bifida toner pads by Mixum. These are not actually pads, they are more like thin cotton sheets that are drenched with toners. So if you are looking for value and quantity, then go for the toner bottles. And if you prefer to use them as your spot sheet masks, then go for the toner. Because the toner inside is good, like very good. Lightweight, watery, breathable, feels refreshing while applying, but they add hydration little more than your toner. I would say little more than Sunjong toner. Tad bit of unhydrousness, but it's not that sticky or unbreathable. And another two reasons why I'm planning to repurchase it. First, I can use it anytime, day, night. And I can use it during any routine, during my peptide routine or pure vitamin C routine or my exfoliating routine. It never cancel out. It never interfere during those routine. Rather, it helps those ingredients absorb better and faster. Second, it helps my pores appear smaller, less visible, and it adds a subtle health to my skin. I don't call it a glow or glass. It looks like my skin is working fine. It's having a good time. If you fall into normal or dry skin, go for the essence, which has more anhydrous quality. But if you fall into very oily to combination skin, then I think the toner will be your best option. And these are all my old favorites and new favorites that I genuinely feel that I'm enjoying and I have to share with you. Because if you like my recommendations, I'm damn sure you are going to enjoy them as well. And I would like to know your thoughts. मतलब आपकी बात सुनती हूँ तो मुझे थोड़ा encouragement मिलता है. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.